bazala bamzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about Uma Khumalo. Uma Khumalo is a motivational speaker and she is the best motivational speaker, guys. So she had to say this to women. Please watch the video, then I'll come back.
In fact, the minute ukhombisa ukuthi uyakwazi ukwenza uthi sewuyakhuluma ngobusungcono. This-empowerishe because abantu abaningi abahlukumezekile guys bahlukunyezwa ukuthi abakwazi ukwenza. Umuntu mawungakwazi ukwenza ukuthatha kancane. In fact, the minute ukhombisa ukuthi uyakwazi ukwenza uthi sewuyakhuluma ngobusungcono. Kuyathusa ukubona umuntu ekwazi ukwenza. Kuyathusa ngoba awukwazi ukusho noma yini, awukwazi ukwenza noma yini. Ake sifike kuleyo position yokuthi wonke umuntu omezozokhuluma nawe aqala samuka ukuthi ngizothini mangifika kuyena ngoba lo muntu engiyakuyena usamukela. Asikwazi ukuthi sivume ukube abantu besifazane abangasamukanga. Yonke into nje ifikisho noma yini uyivume. Yebo baba, isho le yebo baba, hayi vula. Kodwa uvula kahle mangabe ukwazi ukuthi ubheke i-bank account yakho ubone ukuthi kungaphileka. Hayi bafowethu phela kuyacindezelana ngisinkwa. Ngisinkwa. Indlala uze usakhuluma mina nakukhuluma ihanga. Poverty. Uthi uyenza akuhloniphi mina nakuhloniphi indlala. Ngina into engayisho kodwa isisu ngizolanda kudleni mangimchukuluza lo muntu ngizokwenza njani. Enye into nje asike isigabisana ukuzama sibone ukuthi ngeke kwenzeke yini. Uyazi ukuthi mabethi abantu fake it until you make it. Uyazi ukuthi ungene uphume ngesibindi ume kanje.
Hi bazala bami, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. No bazala bami, at this point I think nje mama ifamily yakibo Uma Khumalo deserve a cow. Remember last season uMusa Msinde kuye wahamba ebonga abantu bakibo Uma Khumalo and he gave them a sheep ne imbuzi if I'm not mistaken. But this time I think they deserve a cow. This woman is wise, guys. Let's just be honest. Uhlakaniphile Uma Khumalo, for someone who got married at a very young age, she is very smart, guys. Uhlakaniphe ngathi ushade vele sekamdala and understand ingcondo yomuntu wesilisa. Guys, let me just tell you one thing. I fully agree with what Uma Khumalo is saying on this video. I fully agree with what Uma Khumalo is saying on this video. Because one thing about being independent, like you have your voice, engathi uNkulunkulu kunika an extra voice whereby you can say no to whatever that you do not want. But if you are depending, more especially if you are depending on the man, and you are depending on a man by choice, like khona umuntu depend on a man, but ngathi indoda yakhe khona ama-housewives, but indoda iyazi ukuthi this person mangavokusisa ifuna umsebenzi uzothola umsebenzi. We have aba-housewife abanama-PhDs, ingcono leyo. But if you depend on a man and that man knows ukuthi mangasukuma la ngithi ngiyamshiya lo muntu, kuyoba very difficult ukuthi asukume. Kuzoba nzima kakhulu, empilweni yakho, because amadoda ayadlala ngabantu besimame. As a woman, the best thing that you can do for yourself ukuthi usukume uzimele. This thing of you, especially I'm talking to young girls, if you are young and you know ukuthi wena iphupho lakho ukuthi uhlale endlini and be a housewife, rather be a housewife in a business somewhere, usetshenzwe someone. Rather be a housewife. We know I'm a housewife, but I do have mhlambe a PhD, a master's, whatever qualification. Ne? So that izinto le ndoda mase decide ukuthi, you know what, angisakudingi mina empilweni yami, uyakwazi ukusukuma uzithintithe and go to work or go back to school, further your studies. You understand? But if uzohlala nje no matric kule economy raramapaso kule state country kuso, you want like ngathini, you will suffer. You will have uzondoda izokuhlukumeza emotionally, izokuhlukumeza mentally, and he'll also abuse you financially. And guys, remember imali yakhe. No court will force him ukuthi akunike whatever that you want. Even if ungamise court after divorce uthi uyofuna ukuthi sponsor what. Only sivana ukunika nje imali encane. And yabona ukuthi kumele ulwele imali yomunye umuntu. the best thing that you can do for yourself ukuthi usukume uzenze. And these things only, does not only applies to housewives or married women nje, as umuntu wesimame, as a woman, whether you are married or not, it is very much important ukuthi usukume uzimele and have your own things, even if you have parents, even if usahlala kini, and even if you have a very good background. Kubalulekile ukuthi uzimele because kusasa laziwe, and kubalulekile even if uhlala kini ukuthi uwazi ukuthi mina should anything happen to my parents, I know I have something. Should anything happen to my parents, I know ukuthi ngizovuka kusasa ngizolala ngidlile, ayeke ngihambe ngiyohlupha umuntu. It's very much important, guys. I think we need abafazi abafana naboMakhumalo ukuthi bagcugcuzele abanye abafazi ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi emshadweni usebenze, kubalulekile emshadweni ukuthi ube nento zakho, so that indoda ingazokudelela, because nako lokho ukuthi uhlale nomuntu yonke into, everything is into zokugeza, i-makeup, inywele, everything uyithola kuyo. Iyinkinga nayo nje iyodwa naleyo nto leyo, iyinkinga because umuntu uzokupha imali yakhe ngesikhathi sakhe esifunwa we, noma ngabe akakuhlumezi. And sometimes uthola ukuthi nayo uyasindwa, just because selfish uzokutshela ukuthi ungasebenzi, but ngoba bona ukuthi ungasebenzi uzoba nento zakho and uzokwazi ukuthi ukhulume, ukwazi ukuvoice out ezinye izinto. Lento lefana nokuthi uhlale kini uyenze nabazali bakho, khona izinto abazali bakho abathi ungazenzi, or khona izinto abazali bakho abakunqabela zona that you feel like uyazidinga, but just because usesengaphansi kwabazali bakho angeke uzenze. Same applies nasemshadweni. If ushadile mhlawumbe ufuna iweave, uzothi indoda no, I don't believe kumfazi ugcoka inywele imsila wewashi, I don't believe kumfazi ugcoka inywele lezi ezabantu basho ukuthi inywele zikhathwe from ama-Indians, I don't believe ukuthi why mele uthi uqhine, why you must have a very expensive hairstyle, ungavele musi nje ugunda inywele zakho uthwale. Not because he believes ukuthi umfazi othwele is more respected, or uvela njengomfazi uhloniphekile unesidima. No, just because akafuni wena ugcoke le nto leyo, and he'll cheat nabantu abagcoka ama-weave. If you want expensive perfume, you'll beg. And remember, perfume is not a need, yangithi uzokutshela ukuthi wayimele ugcoka perfume ethi wanje gcobisa iperfume yakuphi. They'll so kubalekile as a woman ukuthi usebenze, kubalekile as a woman ukuthi ube nento zakho. I feel like avuka nje umntana aboMakhumalo, which is uSname, mntana kaMusa, engathi angathatha lamazwi okhuluma uMakhumalo, wathatha ufaka apply la emcondweni yakhe, abone ukuthi uzogijima ngempilo ngamnandi kanjani. Ayikho into emnandi emhlabeni njengokuthi umfazi ube nemali yakho, noma ngabe incane kangakanani, noma ngabe ume estradini uthengisa ama-veggie, but leyo mali yakho eyakho, leyo mali yakho eyakho ijabulisa wena nomphefumulo wakho nabantwana bakho. You can do whatever you want anytime you want. And ayikho lento leyo ukuthi abafazi who are more richer than abomyeni babo, or abafazi who are making more money than ama-husbands wabo, they are disrespectful. No. And a lot of guys abafila kanjalo, abantu who they want nje to into financially abuse abafazi babo. No. Just that when you are threatened just because umfazi ukwazi uzenza izinto wena that you cannot do. We've seen uMakhumalo, one woman ohlonipha umseleku lapha, it is uMakhumalo. Yes, now singasho ukuthi selfish okafuthi uba number 5 it, but that woman respected umseleku from season 1 till the last season of Uthando This Table. We'll see on the next season. And even if now on Uthando This Table uncut, there are things that she was not happy with, but in the become addressing her, you could see good. She still have much respect for this man. In the one scene now uMakhumalo address umsele with a disrespect will never. But Makhumalo, we know she's making her own man. And Makhumalo, if she decides to leave umsele, as much as I do feel like umvuleli minyango, but if she decides to leave umsele, we all know to Makhumalo nyaka zahluphe. Never. uMakhumalo if umselo athi I don't want to renovate your houses, uzicelela nje baba mina ngicela ukuzirenovate ngemali yami. Umselo being a man that he is wavuma, wazenzela. Uyabona impilo iba mnandi kanjani mawuphethe imali? Impilo nje mawuphethe imali yakho uyenza kahle ngendlela right iba mnandi, uhlala nje vele enjoy life. Understand? But bazalwane, you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.